Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much all for your love and support. Please do continuously support me. I'm here one of the peaceful place somewhere in Timor. I really like this place. Actually, I can go from other side. That is shortcut, but I just want to go from here because you know the chakadu bishipalasi. Garibin nai. Hardly ekta duda I and bishi ekta peaceful place asi. Peaceful place. So I'm going from this side. Look at this. I don't know the name, but I will tell you. I saw somewhere. I will tell you the name of later on. Sorry na. Iku na plane. Rasta bisa pa si. Iku sound bin na. There's one shortcut, but if we go from that side, too many vehicles. But this side is not like that. Hardly 1-2 vehicle comes. Iwali ba pera si gole. Posti wali jungle di pera nis na feel kore. Rasta to ini ka na hai lepi. This is the name. And everything is written there, so you can check by yourself. Look at this, guys. Even there's one shortcut, but I will not go from that side. Even there's wonderful place. Last time I went from that side, so I will go even today. Oh, I'm just enjoying alone. I'm just creating memories. Last time I came here, look at the views. Months into night, nah. Hardly correct, guys. Sabi na hey, months into. Sundur was sundur. We can go from this side also, and this side also. I'll go from this side. This side also, it's very beautiful and it's very good, but I will just go from this side. Next time I will go from that side. Oh, guys, गाड़ी एक टाइम ना मुझे होती है यदि बार सुबह मचा बोले पारे पुना ना भी you are already in सुबह मजा आएगी ना यदि बार सुबह मचा बोले पारे वो वाला वाला फनी था कि शेर भी कोई ना जाए चावल जी look at this ridiculous church Japanese. So guys, seems this is a dangerous place. See, यदि वाली भी रास्ता है, वाली भी ऐसे, नीचे वाली भी ऐसे, और पीछे वाली भी है. तो यदि गाड़ी kan पीछे लगे आवाज करे कुछ. So, इन्नादे आई बोले था किसी को ले, you have to be, I mean, इन्नादे था किसी को ले, you have to be careful. See ना, मन भांगया. That is good if you एकता जोला सी कुछ. Last time, my brother told me. That side is shortcut, but I don't like to go there. I just want to go here. Till रास्ता पे जा ही फला से गाड़ी भी नहीं दिखाली तो आरो तभी तो at least now एक तो दूसरा तो आया ही but not this side is one of the best out of best do you fala से look at this who doesn't like to be here you guys, no sound, nothing. Man, peaceful as it. If you come, you will know. See now. Wow. Jere hala kurese. Ekta duita. Last time, I do the rasta to piya se bole to be ekta piya thaki she. But now, it's one of the best. You just come here and enjoy, even if you are alone. Samina, चिड़ियाघर man birasi. No sound, nothing. Only bird. Whoa, one bird is flying there. Woo! It's interesting. Just enjoying. 얼룩도 똑 봐야지 나도. 선비신 말이야지 나. Because of that. 얼룩 똑 봐야지. And 뭐비 콜비 뭉치자지. Man सुंदर आवाज इमान हल्ला गरिरहेछ चिडियाखाना. So guys, thank you so much for watching till the end, and yeah, I'll end today's videos from here. So thank you so much and keep supporting me.